Hello guys, so we are at the cathedral area. I think they're closed. May cathedral area din sila dito sa Amerika, dito sa Illinois. I just decided to go on a nature walk, so it said love is spoken here. So ganyan siya guys. Malaki din. Well, at least ito maliit ito kumpara mo sa iba. That's how their cathedral looks like. Asan yung harap? Parang hindi naman ito yung harap. Parang likod naman ata ito. Nasa likod ata ako. Ano ba yan? Parang castle yung bahay na yun. Nasa likod ako. Ano ba yan?